With this photograph, I want to briefly talk about how we can speed up our overall crop workflow by using a really interesting shortcut which is new to Lightroom 3. Well, first let's activate our crop tool. To do that, we'll press the R key. Now, one of the things that we know here is we can simply grab one of these corner points, or we can grab the crop tool and then click and drag across the image. Now, when we click and drag, the aspect ratio will be whatever it was defined over here in this panel. In this case, it's locked to the original aspect ratio. So as I click and drag, it's going to then create a crop with that original aspect ratio. Well, here I have what's called a vertical or a portrait orientation. Well, at this juncture, let's say that we decide that it might be interesting to see this crop in the horizontal or the landscape orientation. Well, in order to do that really quickly, all that we need to do is to press one shortcut key. And here it is. Press the X key. Think of X for exchange in order to alternate or flip between that horizontal and that vertical orientation. Now, once you choose the orientation that you want, you can go ahead and continue to work on the image by modifying the corner points or using your overall normal crop workflow. And in this case, I'll just bring this crop area in and then double click to apply that. Now here we have something completely different, and we are able to accomplish this crop with a lot of flexibility and speed because of that new shortcut. So just to reiterate that one, here's what you do. You press the R key to activate your crop tool. You then modify the crop, and then if you want to alternate or change the orientation, press the X key, and in that way you can choose a different orientation really quickly.